it, Mr. Chairman.
You can use them interchangeably. Yes.
Yeah, I have listed a list of the immovable assets that I own in a page in the statement of net worth that includes properties that are developed. I've also put in a list of all the vehicles that are available for my personal use. And I've also put in the amounts of shares that I owned in various constitutions, one including the parliamentary circle, which I am a member. Mr. Speaker, I've also listed in directorship of in different companies where I'm one of the largest shareholders, which is also on page 16. So paragraph 16 from the questionnaire, and all these total to the tune of around 1.2 billion.